Many times, you'll find that a town or city that you need approval from requires that you use their detail for planting, fencing, paving, or any other item in the landscape. They may even require you to put their standard notes on your drawing. It's a good idea to keep all of this information together in the Detail Manager so that it's easy for you or other drafters in your office to access. You may be lucky and a more progressive town will provide you with a DWG drawing, or you may only get a PDF or JPEG. For a DWG drawing, first open the drawing and check its units. Make sure that the detail is drawn at a 1:1 scale. Then, clean it using the Nuke tool. This way you can be sure that no surprises are going to follow the detail into your clean drawings. Now you can place a detail template around the detail. You can either keep the drawing as it is or adjust the line weights and annotations to fit your company's standard land effects styles. If you received a PDF or JPEG instead, you're going to have to first make sure that the file is saved in an organized directory for detailed references. Then XREF the PDF or JPEG into a clean file with the correct units. Scale the image up to be 1:1 and place a detail template around it. Before going ahead with this process for an image file, always try to ask a contact at the town or city if they can give you the DWG line work version instead, because the text and line work in PDFs and JPEGs will almost never be perfectly clear after scaling to fit on your detail sheet. If the edges of the image fall outside of your template, clip the XREF. Moving on to saving, the process is the same for both scenarios. Use Save Detail like any other detail. When you're choosing a spot to save your detail, figure out an organization system that works for your company. As an example, I'm going to save this detail into the Standard Detail section using the CSI Masterformat organization system. You can always use your own system, but this way is an industry standard for design professionals. Storing your jurisdictional or municipality details at the front of a category keeps it front and center in the applicable category to remind users to check for the city standard before going to an office standard. Customize this system to fit your office and your region. By making sure that nobody in the office forgets to use a city's standard detail again, your company looks more professional in the eyes of the client and the city. This has been another power tip for you, the user, because in the thick of a project you should be worrying about your design, not where your details are.